Hello everyone, this is Legend Work again. Today we're doing product review. So I got a scope of things I do. So today we'll go with product review. This one is called Coredy Robot Vacuum. The model I got is 500 plus. This thing I already got I got from Amazon for $149. Right now it's I think $199 with $35 coupon right now. So nonetheless, and I had two of them. I purchased two of them about 6 months ago. Let me tell you, they're wonderful. They really are. They're very low profile, and then they get their home easily, and the suction power is very strong. Now, if you let it go once daily, it will have so much dirt. Just for a few days, it will have so much dirt, and you have to clean it. You have to empty the tray. So, without further ado, let me show you how it is. See, going through the border between carpet and tiles very well. So overall, I'm very satisfied with this purchase. So I did get a few, maybe, I don't know, I can't remember, a few gift certificate after made a review on the Amazon, but that's not why I'm shooting a video, right? I just really enjoying this item. I thought I want to show you this is a good purchase. Alright, that's for now.